What's up, car people?
What's up, YouTube, cinema, universe?
Yeah, we're going to car Shnow at the Bill Stadium. We're in the bimmer right now. I was sitting in the back. Bella was sitting in the front. But we dropped her off so that she could hop in Jack's car with Issa. But now we're heading over to the pre-meet spot, so we'll see you guys over there. Okay, so we're at the pre-meet spot. Still got some time before we need to leave. It is currently 2:39, so we have another 15 minutes before we plan on cruising out of here. Right now we got Hazy's here, Justin, Brody, Cam, Gibby, Miles, Evan, Issa and Jack's car, John, Aiden, and Pete. Ken also just pulled up. I'm not sure how many other people are going to be pulling up. 2:55 are rolling out no matter what. I don't care if people are on their way, but set time, that's when we're leaving. We got to be there at a certain time, so this is what we got so far. Alright, so we made it to the car Shnow. We're all parked up. There's a lot of fucking cars here, and we got here early, and it's already packed, so we got hella people here. We're gonna walk around, take a look at the cars, see what's up. So we'll get into that.
Ride to my roof, grind to my roof, grind. I can only stay strong for so long. I wrote you a new song, ripped a new bond. Girl, you hot like Tucson, you my Tucson. Calling on my primo when I'm emo. Lost like I'm Nemo, sorry I can't be Mo. I wish you could see Mo. Man, I'm sick of trying to drop you with the east though. She gon' crush me like a Pringle. Sick in my head like I got a disease. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's nothing here to care about. Blow my phone up when you're down. Watch how quick I come around. Yeah, you die on me, they better put me down. On my primo when I'm emo. Lost like I'm Nemo. Sorry I can't be Mo. I wish you could see Mo. Man, I'm sick of trying to drop you with the ease though. She gon' crush me like a Pringle. Sick in my head like I got a disease. Oh yeah. Wow. Okay, Baby, hör mir zu. Ich wache auf und du bist nicht hier. Denn es war alles ein Traum, doch ich weiß, du bist irgendwo da draußen. Und ohne dich fühle ich mich so allein. Hier ist ein bisschen Kaviar, ein bisschen Pizza, ein bisschen helle Ghetto, ein bisschen Nizza, ein bisschen Hipster, ein bisschen Glitzer, Glitzer. Doch scheiß auf Shampoo, sie will'n Sixer.
Sie ist VIP, doch pennt auf dem Rücksitz. Sie ist nett, aber kennt keine Rücksicht. Wenn du bedrückt bist, macht sie dich glücklich und schenkt dir ein Lächeln, das macht warm.
This makes life easy.
What are you doing?
Hey,
What's up, bro?
my handsome civil club guys. You know what time it is. It's Gucci Burr, baby.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's 30.
Let me see the flick.
It's 30.
Let me see the flick.
It's 30.
Where'd she go?
These legs are rusty.
Where did she go?
He's right there.
Call her.
Izzy! Izzy!
Come here.
I'm officially in simple. Let's go.
What's up, buddy?
How are you?
I think you're a little late, huh?
I am. I'm really late.
Ich wache auf und du bist nicht hier. Denn es war alles ein Traum, doch ich weiß, du bist irgendwo da draußen. Und ohne dich fühle ich mich so allein.
Alright guys, that's been it for the Shnow Motorsports car show. There was a lot of cars here.
Yo, this GMC terrain is fire.
GMC Terrain.
Yeah. That's fucking top.
But we're heading out of here now. We're gonna head home. There wasn't really too much going on. It was just all cars. So just walked around and looked at shit. Nothing like crazy entertaining to watch. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.
Verrückte daran ist, ich freu mich für dich. Nein, im Ernst, echt, ich freu mich für dich. Denn ich muss damit leben, dein Freund bin ich nicht. Doch ich hoffe mal, mit 90 bereust du es nicht. Wie lang das weitergeht, ich kann's dir nicht sagen. Doch ich geb mich sicherlich nicht kampflos geschlagen. Also lass mich bitte nicht zu lang darauf warten und fang an, dich zu fragen. Denn die Antwort ist klar, doch